Sai is and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. And today I'll try to do the another benchmark test on this Realme X7 Max device. As you can see, friends, so this is my day one of using the Realme X7 Max, and this is my first another benchmark test which I'm trying to do right now on this Realme X7 Max, as you can clearly see. So which has got the Dimensity 1200, and this is my first phone with the Dimensity 1200 particularly. So let's see how much another benchmark score we can expect in this phone. And in case if you want me to do any other videos, so make sure to comment under this community post which I have created. So make sure to comment below, friends. Definitely I'll do all this kind of testings as soon as possible, so it will be one place for me. Easily I can go through and I can check all the comments, so make sure to comment in the community post. So let's get started, friends. So first let me try to show you exactly the storage, how much it is, as you can see, and let me try to show you the RAM availability by clearing all the background applications. How much RAM is available right now, as you can see, friends, 4.52 GB out of 8 GB is available right now at the time of I'm doing the testing. Let me even show you exactly what kind of display refresh rate I'm trying to use during this time of performance. I did select the auto refresh rate, as you can clearly see here. So maybe in the future I'll try to select 120 and 60 Hz in case if you want me to do. And that is done, and let me try to quickly disable the Wi-Fi as well. And the brightness is set to, I think, 50%. I think 50% should be kind of okay during this kind of Antutu benchmark test results. So let me try to first open the Antutu benchmark application. As I said, this is my first time doing the Antutu benchmark test in this Realme X7 Max. So even I am really very excited to see whether this phone can actually beat the monster. So you know which monster I'm talking about, iQOO 7 device. So let's get started, friends. This is my first time I'm doing the testing. And one more thing, here in the Antutu benchmark application, for a weird reason, it shows the Realme GT Neo. I'm not sure, but I'm using the exact Realme X7 Max only. So let's see what will be the temperatures. You can see the temperatures before and after. I did try to take the screenshot, so you know exactly what is the temperature before and after as well, as you can clearly see, friends, right now. So let me try to start the test, and let me try to give the permissions. The test has been successfully started right now, and let's check the temperature. So first, how much is the temperature in this phone before starting the test? It's of 36 degrees, and my room temperature is also 32 degrees. So there is no AC in my room, so there is no cooler in my room. So in my studio, I make sure that the external temperature should not impact the results what I'm trying to do. So only one fan is there running on the top, which is in a low speed, so the audio should not be interrupt my recording. So right now the temperature is of 36 degrees only during this time of testing, as you can see, friends. Even the back side is of 36 degrees. So a lot of users, they did mention about the temperatures increasing in this phone. So they did ask me to check whether the phone temperature is really increasing high or not. So that I can give you the confirmation after two days of using this phone. So but initial day, this is my first day, so I did not install much games, and did not even do the Antutu benchmark test. So I'm not sure about the eating, but definitely I'll try to check right now with the Antutu benchmark test how much the temperature will increase. And the battery percentage when I started the Antutu benchmark test is about 32%, if you notice. So right now I think it's of 31%. So just now it decreased 31%. So in case if you want me to, or if you want to note down, even you can note on that one. So temperature is 36% and battery is 31%. So temperature 36 degrees, sorry. So let's see, friends, for the first 1 minute how much the temperature will be increasing in this phone, Realme X7 Max. Yes, 39.2 degrees it went, as you can see, 39.2. I'll try to do the side-by-side comparison with the Mi11X mainly, because right now whatever phones I'm having, the Mi11X is really good in terms of keeping the temperatures really low. That is what I did notice. So I'll try to mainly focus by comparing with those phones particularly, because that is the reason a lot of users, they are really interested to buy one of the phone, but they are really confused. So don't worry, friends, I'll really guide you in terms of which phone to buy. After the Realme X7 Max, I can only judge after maybe using at least 3 days. So minimum I need 3 to 5 days of testing with this phone. Only then I'll be able to judge the phone. Yes, right now I can feel the heat coming from the back side near this matte material. Mostly I can actually feel the difference right now. It started to come heat on the back side. So I think the temperature right now may be 40.5. I was guessing 40.8, as you can see, friends. So after doing so much of testing, so this is how I can guess, depending on the how much heat I'm getting backside, I can guess sometimes the temperatures. So it's of 39 degrees on the backside, but front is 41.2, as you can see, friends, 41.2. So maybe today evening I'll try to upload a video on another benchmark comparison between this phone and iQOO 7 and Mi11X all together at the same time, so you will be able to know the temperatures, which phone has what kind of temperatures as well. I'll try to include those kind of videos as well very soon. And don't forget to comment under that community post which I have created for you all, so that will be really helpful for a lot of users who are actually thinking of buying the phone. So right now temperature is started to increase. I think it went up to 41.6 or 41.7, I think 43. Oh my god, 43. I didn't expect this one, 43. So all of a sudden it increased to 43.2. I think yes, there might be a temperature problem, but let's see what will happen with the final result, final temperature. That is what I am trying to see, because in the iQOO 7 device the temperatures went up to 45 and 46. So, and in the Mi11X device the average I did observe only 42 and 43, but not much. In the Mi11X device that is the highest and average is 42 throughout the time. So let's see what will happen with this Dimensity MediaTek processor. 42.8 I'm trying to get, and near the camera area, camera bump 41, flashlight and everything 41, as you can clearly see. Backside only the top area is slightly high temperature, not the bottom one. 42.8, 43.2, somewhere around here, 43.2. So again I'll be back, friends, after a couple of minutes of testing. So let's see what will be the temperature will be reaching. So right now we are getting close to kind of 100%. So right now the temperature is reached up to 42.8. I think the maximum I did observe only 43.2. That is a maximum temperature which is recorded. As you can see right now the maximum is only, right now it's displaying 41, 42, 42 only, not much. So let's see, friends, what will happen with the future CPU throttling test results. So there is a really interesting test which is a CPU throttling test that will be very good kind of comparison with this phone particularly. So right now, as you can see, friends, we are kind of approaching to the final score. So the temperature slightly has been increasing, but the top portion is slightly much high temperatures as the bottom portion. So that is quite common nowadays. So maximum right now the temperature is of 42.4 only. So well, friends, for the one time I did observe only the 43 degrees only for certain amount of time, but not for the continuous high temperature. It did not maintain. So I'll try to test those temperatures maybe in the 3D benchmark test, which I'll be trying to do. So in that test we'll be able to know how much stability the phone is, and we got the score, and which scored about 6,84,000, as you can see. So even though I'm using the Realme X7 Max, but still the name displays as a Realme GT Neo. So I'm not sure why, but it is a final temperatures. So 42.6 and 41, as you can clearly see, friends. And you can see the battery percentage, how much it decreased. 6% decreased, and 5.2 degrees of the temperature increased. So CPU and the GPU scores here we got, as you can see. So in the future I'll try to compare with the iQOO 7 device in terms of the CPU and the GPU scores particularly, in case you'll get to know more details. So right now let me try to take the screenshot which I did on the day 1. So this is a screenshot which I'm taking, and I'll try to note down as well. So making a note that this is a day 1 test results. So that is what I'm trying to do every time. So in case if I get any kind of future updates as well, I'll able to judge how much the another benchmark score on the day 1 and day 2. So in this way I'll try to keep all the track records, friends. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more details. And thank you for watching this video, friends. And don't forget to check the links in description for more details. And in case if you like this kind of live wallpapers, so make sure to check the links you'll find for the live wallpapers link as well. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.